Power that transcend politics, moments that don't just communicate intent but emotion. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spending the night and day on board INS Vikrant isn't just another photo opportunity, it is a message written in the salt and steel of India's maritime power. And I want you to look at these pictures because they truly are so compelling. For the sailors on board this magnificent ship, this wasn't about protocol, it was personal. Because when the Prime Minister of India chooses to live a sailor's day, to wake up to the sound of turbines and aircraft engines, to eat where they eat, to sleep in the same quarters, he's telling every man and woman in white and in blue, I see you, I value you, and I thank you. The Indian Navy, often the quietest arm of the armed forces, rarely makes headlines. Yet it is the force that silently guards our 7,500-kilometer coastline and the oceans beyond. Our shipping lanes, our energy routes, the arteries that keep India alive. It's a force that has always stood ready, and just months ago during Operation Sindoor, it reminded the world why deterrence matters. While the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army were in high operational readiness doing their devastating job, it was the Indian Navy's sheer presence, its carriers, submarines, destroyers, missiles, all locked and loaded across the Arabian Sea that created an invisible wall of terrible consequence. The kind of silent threat that doesn't need to fire to be felt. It was the weight of that readiness, that unmistakable potential for devastation that ensured that Pakistan bent down and the conflict didn't spiral. And that's what the Prime Minister has said today on board this ship. Pakistan knew, and that's why it sued for a ceasefire. That is the paradox, viewer, of strength. When it is absolute, it doesn't always need to act. The Indian Navy's very preparedness prevented a larger war. And as the Prime Minister last night and today walks the deck of INS Vikrant on Deepavali under the open night sky, and then when the sun rises, he's not just honoring a ship, he's honoring a combat spirit, a war-fighting nation that India is. The spirit of service, of vigilance of men and women who spend months away from their families, including today on Deepavali, so that ours can sleep in peace. It is easy to thank the uniform on a parade ground, and it must be done there and everywhere else. But it is another thing entirely to share their watch, their mess, their sea. And that is what the Prime Minister has done last night and tonight. So from every Indian heart to every sailor standing watch out there, from the Andamans to the Arabian, thank you for being the wall between us and war. And thank you, Indian Navy, and to the military at large, for proving once again that the calm seas we enjoy are not gifts of nature, but the result as well of your strength.
साथियों, जब मुझे याद है, जब आईएनएस विक्रांत को देश को सौंपा जा रहा था, तो मैंने कहा था, विक्रांत विशाल है, विराट है, विहंगम है, विक्रांत विशिष्ट है, विक्रांत विशेष भी है। विक्रांत केवल एक युद्धपोत नहीं है, ये 21वीं सदी के भारत के परिश्रम, प्रतिभा, प्रभाव और प्रतिबद्धता का प्रमाण है। हमारी ब्रह्मोस और आकाश जैसी मिसाइलों ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में भी अपनी क्षमता साबित की है। ब्रह्मोस को तो नाम ही ऐसा है कि सुनते ही कई लोगों को चिंता हो जाती कि ब्रह्मोस आ रहा है क्या। अब दुनिया के कई देश इन मिसाइलों को खरीदना चाहते हैं। साथियों, हमारा आईएनएस विक्रांत आज आत्मनिर्भर भारत और मेड इन इंडिया का बहुत बड़ा प्रतीक है। महासागर को चीरता हुआ स्वदेशी आईएनएस विक्रांत भारत की सैन्य क्षमता का प्रतिबिंब है। अभी कुछ ही महीने पहले हमने देखा है, विक्रांत ने अपने नाम से ही पूरे पाकिस्तान की रातों की नींद उड़ा दी थी। जिसका नाम ही दुश्मन के साहस का अंत कर दे, वो है आईएनएस विक्रांत। मैं देख रहा था जो उमंग उत्साह से आप भरे हुए थे, और जब मैंने देखा कि आपने स्वरचित गीत गाए कल, और शायद आपने गीतों में जिस प्रकार से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का वर्णन किया, शायद को कवि इस अनुभूति को प्रकट नहीं कर पाएगा जो युद्ध के मैदान में खड़ा जवान कर पाता है। भारतीय वायुसेना द्वारा दिखाए गए अद्भुत कौशल ने, भारतीय सेना की जांबाजी ने, तीनों सेनाओं के जबरदस्त समन्वय ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में पाकिस्तान को इतनी जल्दी घुटने टेकने पर मजबूर कर दिया था। जब आपसे निकट रह करके आपकी सांस को अनुभव कर रहा था, आपकी धड़कन को महसूस कर रहा था, आपकी आंखों की वो चमक को देख पा रहा था, तब मैं रात जब सोया, कल थोड़ा जल्दी सोया, जो कभी सोता नहीं हूं। शायद जल्दी सोने का कारण भी ये होगा कि आपको जब कल दिन भर देखा तो भीतर जो संतोष का भाव था, वो नींद मेरी नहीं, संतोष की नींद थी।
And for the first time since the NDTV World Summit, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about the big achievements and the end to Maoist violence, he repeated that message today on Deepavali from on board INS Vikrant. Listen to this crucial message of security about an issue that has across governments and across administrations been agreed upon as being India's biggest internal security threat. Here's the Prime Minister.
हमारे सुरक्षा बलों के साहस के कारण ही बीते वर्षों में देश ने एक और बड़ी उपलब्धि हासिल की है। ये उपलब्धि है माओवादी आतंक का खात्मा। आज देश नक्सली माओवादी आतंक से मुक्ति के कगार पर है। मुक्ति दस्तक दे रही है दोस्तों। 2014 से पहले देश के करीब 125 जिले माओवादी हिंसा की चपेट में थे। 125 जिले, और वो 125 जिले पिछले 10 साल की मेहनत के कारण ये संख्या घटती गई और अब 125 से घट करके सिर्फ 11 रह गई है। 11
360 degrees national security, a message to the armed forces, not just the Indian Navy, not just the crew and personnel of the INS Vikrant carrier battle group, but to the Indian military and the Indian security establishment at large, is what was encapsulated in the Prime Minister's Deepavali speech today. It's a festival and a festive season for all of us here in India and the Indian diaspora across the world, and to all those celebrating, who may not be Indian at all. But the fact of the matter is that national security does not wait. National security does not have festivals. National security does not have downtime. National security doesn't have the luxury of taking a break. National security has the kind of tempo that would be the stuff of nightmares to most of us. And national security does not sleep. And that's the reason why the Prime Minister's pictures on board INS Vikrant last night and today, with our personnel cheerfully going about their combat duties, matters of life and death, matters that most of us safely on land enjoy the fruits of, can never fully be cognizant of, but we can be thankful, and that's what the Prime Minister is conveying by spending so much quality time with the personnel of INS Vikrant. And this is what these pictures radiate out to every Indian in India and across the world, out at sea, in the air, in the mountains, that a nation is grateful and a nation is thankful, and most importantly, a nation sees you. A nation recognizes our men and women in uniform. You are never far away from our active imagination and our memory, and we are so thankful and grateful for the incredible work you do in allowing us to spend a normal day.